Hold on, let me fix this real quick. All right. Mic check, mic check. Yo, 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 what is up? Good morning, Timmy. Good morning, D-Touch, Justin, Alexis, React, VC, King Carnage, Godprod, E, Fake Mojo, Sandollar, Michael, React again, CM Trades, SF, Aloha, Caleb, Mikey, Green, Daffy, Zaya. Good morning, everybody. Spy in that pre-market gap? Yes, sir. I'm honestly glad I started the stream like 20, 30 minutes late. I didn't miss shit. It looks like we're about to get some short entries to the downside here. You already have an open range break, but you might need to be looking for a retest, not a break. So we'll see if this holds. If not, it might just keep dumping, fill the overnight gap. Looking pretty good though. 30% on triple Q put. Damn, what's up, Sherman? Good call out by Dividend Bull on the trade floor this morning before I started my stream. He's calling out a new low of day. Great comment. Great comment. I literally loaded the stream. Look, this is the first thing I had on my screen before I pulled it up for the stream. Was price opening higher, pushing over previous day highs, even getting over the previous day high supply and the open. Which this is really where the damage started yesterday, and then just a few moments later, we're already cracking down within just 2 to 3 more 5-minute candles. That's crazy. Well, overnight gap pretty much filled for the most part. Alright, sorry guys, I was reading chat, so you had to make sure I caught up and everything. 30% on triple Q puts, loud and clear chief, fresh pineapple juice for OJ, 500. I need to try that then. Fresh pineapple juice. I don't really drink orange juice that much either, but I don't mind either. They both sound great. Good morning, Kim. Out of Spy Poots, out as approaching yesterday's close. Great job, King Carnage. Very smart. Can't ignore that level. One and done for today. 100% plus gains on me calls. 0 TTEs. Good stuff. Be sure to post sales trade reviews, guys. Don't forget about that. Let's go, peoples. 130%. That's what I like to see. Now, I want to see all of you who are getting these big gains today. I want to see you hold on to those gains. That's your new challenge. It's not getting more gains. It's holding on to what you got. Can you check? Josh, can you check BA? Yeah, no problem, man. What position are you in, VC? You're not telling me the exact position, but what are you chilling in? I'm assuming you're shorting. I actually have this going down to like 205 if it breaks to 1850s. But the bearish drop has already happened once. Retest 1, retest 2. I mean, they don't have to keep selling off, but they definitely could with the FAA having to watch over all their production. My thumb hates puts. Way easier to hold when we go up. Hey, that's a good thing though, React. You'd be surprised how many traders I've talked to who have the exact opposite issue where they, for some reason, can't touch calls. All they can do is short. So, more power to you, dude. But seriously, everybody, if you are one of those people who think you suck at calls or you suck at puts and you're really good at the other side, I really wouldn't think about it that way, guys. I really wouldn't worry about it. You need to be more focused on how you're playing your levels and what you're playing in front of you. Like, if you're getting a break of a level, it's a clear open range breakout, you know? So, you know that you need to probably go light or you need to wait till you have more information. You know, and the same thing goes for the retest. You know, you should wait until you actually see some selling pressure, not just break structure, but after you see some impulse move back up, you know, do you see a good rejection of a good area? And that's what you should be taking your risk on, the good area, not am I up 15 or 20%? You know, not shit like that. It's just going to get to your head and you're going to make worse mistakes. Put 220. Okay, you have a pretty good strike then. Did you swing from yesterday? Are you already in? You don't have to answer any of these questions, by the way. Found the bid this morning, took them gains, took it out of the broker, and went shopping. This boy is looking crisp AF. I love to hear it, Tobias. I love seeing you win, man. Kick ass, seriously. Now up for the day and going to stop here. Damn, Eric's done too. Trade worked. I don't know why I psyched myself out. Took gains of 35%. I'm happy. Just being a whiny baby. You're good, React. And watch out, guys. React might be your next trader of the month for all we know. Guys, we're going to do the giveaway in like, I don't know, what, like 30 minutes, an hour? I'll probably wait till this starts to base more, and then I'll probably do the giveaway. And guys, do not tag me to check your trade reviews. I will check them after stream. Or we'll do that at the very end, maybe. We'll do that as like a end cap kind of thing. Good morning. Went to grab water and coffee. LOL, missed that sick drop in Gapville. Congrats to anyone who caught it. Yeah, Deep. A lot of people in chat killed it, man. I'm saying the same thing to him. Good day, BB Gang. What's up, Mighty One? And I'm only doing calls this year. Puts get me to blank, and risk management is everything. What's up, Leland? Or whoever you're saying that to. Good morning, CJ. Damn, Peoples was quick on that. Peoples, I'm gonna take a peep at your trade, but I'm not gonna review it yet. I just had to see what you did. Mel, is that the 2 minute that I see? Up 400% for the week, so I feel no reason to continue to trade and enjoy my Friday. Yeah, dude, exactly. Right there, you just gave yourself a logical reason. It's like, why am I even here? I don't even need to be here right now. You don't even need to put risk on the market. You killed it this week. 400%, by the way, on the week. That is crazy. That's not going to happen every week. Amazing job, Eric. Glad to see that from you. All right, quit calling me dad. I'm no one's father. If I'm your father, you're all bastards. Taking a lotto on Apple 187 call. Tobias with the dancing emoji. Or no, he's dabbing. My bad. Took 89% on the AMD drop. Pulled the trigger and followed my game plan. Only had one contract, so couldn't scale. CJ, amazing job. Round of applause for CJ, everybody. And something I like to do when I'm on plays that I really can't like scale out on it's really, really fun to practice thinking you have extra contracts. It's like if it keeps selling or if it keeps rising, you could go, all right, I would have stopped out here. And then realistically, if it keeps going, be like, all right, I would have probably scaled most of the position here after it kept going, or blah, blah, blah. You know, just to kind of keep yourself like in the mental game of it, because you did have an emotional connection to that trade. So your mental trade isn't really a mental trade. You're just kind of like giving yourself more of a scenario beyond what you did. But try to be realistic. You know, you wouldn't be like, I would have bought puts here and I would have sold here easily. Like, no, you wouldn't have. So give yourself that space too. That's what I tell everybody when I tell you guys to get these reps. You know, be as realistic as possible. Like, none of us are here to look cool. None of us are here to pretend that we're a genius. Like, we're not here for that. We're just here to work and grow. That's it. I need to go get up them likes. I want to be number 30. Thank you, Tobias. By the way, I think y'all are going to really like this game that I have planned out. But I just want to let everyone know ahead of time, you kind of need to be in Discord to type something for me so I can get a list of names easier, if that makes sense. Because I have to individually type y'all's name into something. But it's not the spinny wheel. But if this game does fail and it doesn't work how intended, we will just go to the spinny wheel. Yes, React, marbles. Did you see my Steam or something? Yes, it's like the marble thing. How the fuck did y'all know? I didn't even... Did I give y'all a hint or something? No, I just listened to... Okay, so I did... I must have said something. Oh, okay. I was like, how the hell did y'all know? I just tested it yesterday after stream. Okay. Okay, sorry. All right. So my bad. Y'all are listening. I'm sorry. I'll shut up. I was like, what the hell? But yeah, no, it's actually pretty cool. I tested it yesterday. The only thing though is that I have to literally type every single name. So that's why I'm saying Discord, because then I can track y'all's names easier. On YouTube, it's impossible. What was I about to open? Oh, one of you asked about CPI. CPI already came out, my friend. Today was PPI. And a free website you can check out if you do want information on, you know, what you're asking about. Go to financialjuice.com. I am not sponsored by this website. It's just a really good free website that you don't even have to sign into. I mean, I'm signed in right now, but you don't have to be to do what I'm showing you. But you have the news here. You can click this little thing right here. I just leave it on high and medium for the most important news, because if you do low, you're going to get literally everything in between. And you're stuck getting the Fed speaker dots, so just live with that one. But we already had PPI come out this morning. We had CPI come out the other day. If you want to also read on more news and actually get up, you know, on up to date with some of this stuff, I would click on this road to US here. It's right here at the very, very top. It says week ahead economic indicators US -- read here. Click that. It'll take you to this. On this page, you can actually go down to where the CPI report was posted, and I would go straight to the what to expect so you can get a quick update. If you don't know what it is at all, please read the first paragraph. And then same thing for US PPI. What to expect gives you great information. But super free and super easy to read. Another super free and super easy to read website is briefing.com. I'm actually glad we clicked on this just now. Hold up. Wait for it. There it is. All right, so he said, moving the market, sharp drop in yields, especially the 2-year note, which is the most sensitive to changes in the Fed funds rate. Broad-based buying activity. Digesting the first batch of Q4 earnings results, which garnered mixed reactions. You had companies do good, you had companies do horrible. Earnings-related loss in United Health Group, which is crazy, weighing down the price-weighted Dow Jones Industrial Average. By the way, this is huge on a lot of the weights. I know this just says the Dow, but they don't know what they're talking about. This is also a huge weight within the second largest sector of the market in general. What sector would that be, everybody? What sector does UNH completely dominate as a weight? And yeah, lead test is already hitting. It looks like a lot of you guys are on top of that while I'm trying to cover this. XLV, exactly. Healthcare. Great answer. But this is a great website to go to read the moving the market. I don't really care about this. You guys really shouldn't even be caring about this, to be honest. You guys should be on top of this on your own. But it's a good quick update, so it's nice too. And then honestly, you can scroll down. You can read some of the overnight news, and you can actually scroll to where it says morning summary. and it'll tell you in corporate news, and then you can read all of the overnight news. So if there's something you might have missed, you can catch it here. Last one is the earnings website. This is the only thing I check on this website. I don't really like anything else on here, but earnings is pretty good. This is probably the best earnings page I've ever seen, and they have a lot of banks coming out. You can see earnings season is back on the prowl. But yeah, those are the best websites ever. Mel, are you messing with me? Mel is messing with me. He said, nice. Are we streaming? But he's in here talking. Also, crazy how this man has changed how I trade. Paper traded took 5 poots at 950 when SPY started its fall from previous all-time high. Took 200% on the last con. Round of applause for Fool, everybody. Wow, that's crazy, dude. Seriously, that's that's nasty. Caught that lower high, quick scalp. Let's go, guys! I was talking during it all, but we talked. This is the only thing I talked about this morning was if it does fail, look to see if it fails here, and if it does, you get another test lower. Blah blah blah. But what you need to see now for more sellers is a break of 476.26. I'm gonna go down to the 1 minute so we can see all of the highs and lower highs a lot easier. Just for a second. Now, you should have this marked, just because it's, you know, the high of day. You don't have to mark the open, but if you want to, you can. The current day open is a pretty strong pivot point, but the reason I say you don't have to mark it today is because it's literally inside of the previous day high supply, which, in my opinion, does take priority over just one level from today. So if you want to go ahead and do that, you can. If you want to add all 3, you can. It's really up to you. I'm personally just going to leave it clean. But yeah, good job, Fool. I'm super happy for you, man. We were all messing with you. Yeah, none of you were actually here. I wasn't even watching stream while I was trading, so I feel much more confident in myself now. Wow, dude. Everybody, seriously, round of applause for Fool. He came to us a broken soul. He's still a broken soul. No, I'm kidding. But I'm glad to see you progressing, man. Seriously. Even if it's just a little bit. Little by little. Man, you can be going slow as molasses. You would still be getting more progression than somebody who quit. That's the coolest thing to think about. Like, you could be the slowest learner ever and still be progressing a lot more than most people just because most people quit. Dude, seriously, that's awesome, man. I'm happy for you. It's not the gains or the money or the profits or the fee. It's just nice to see that your confidence is growing and you're starting to trust what's in front of you on the chart more. Because, again, that's really what's going to be the difference maker between you and someone who's going to quit is your level of conviction. If you don't have any high levels of conviction when you're taking these trades, you don't have any high levels of confidence when you're taking these trades or looking at whatever you're looking at on the chart, it's going to be very hard to adjust appropriately to actually taking good trades, you know? So if you have that edge of, all right, damn, I'm super confident in what's in front of me. I mean, dude, you're going to be rolling through trades because you're going to be focused like a computer. You're going to be just taking trades based off parameter set, right? Whereas someone who's emotional, someone who's going to quit down the line, they're going to be taking trades based off feeling. They're going to be going, damn, I think it's going to do this. I think it's going to do that. Based on my gut from 1996, I believe today is going to fall 1.45%. Like, no one knows anything beforehand, and they're such liars if they think they do. Seriously, great progression. And if anybody's on that same page as Fool, round of applause to you as well. Took the first when I see it breaking down and the third on Lee test. What about the second? Where's the second? You grow means we all grow. Facts. 1K on the day, Mel. Round of applause, man. You little troll, you. Let's go. Everybody in chat is fucking killing it. I'm not kidding. I'm not even posting anything yet. Where we at? Gains. Good call out. I'm on the wrong channel. It's just nice, man. C-Stem, Caleb. I mean, I just said the same person twice. Mel, Caleb, Eric, Daffy, Jay, Mel again, Mr. Santana, Mel again, Ripcord. Nice. Some pre-market trading. It's stuff for profit. I'll have to check these out in a bit. I was like, I'm not reading reviews, and then I pull them out. The market is falling through the floor. I get back in, blood. You guys are funny. Y'all make it worth streaming all the time, for real. It's not just about the stocks. This shit's funny. You guys are comedians. I'll probably keep paper trading until I can really look at the chart and understand. And that's another thing, fool. I want to, if you want to, it's all you, man. Please, the main goal when you're in my chats are just be comfortable. It's not about being right or wrong or looking cool. But if you need to or want to, I advise you to go post in Trade Review channel, the Results in Review channel, and post. Circle your entry, circle your exit, and then talk about what happened. And then at the very end, maybe kind of as like an extra note thing, talk about how did you feel? How did you feel during the different parts of the trades or the trade? XOK just went negative. Watch for more blood. My bad, guys. I got the wrong watch list up. There you go. Yeah, XOK can definitely struggle against 192.50s for a while. This is where they were the last time they made that all-time high. They're back under the supply. So this could just be a gap fill for tech, for all we know, guys. Good eye, by the way. Yes, React. Round of applause for React. 69 on the poots he just took. You have a feeling we're going back to 474. I'll give you my personal opinion. Let's go to King Carnage chart. Shout out to King Carnage. If we do not surpass all-time highs over the next couple sessions, I'm talking today, Tuesday, Wednesday. By the way, there's no market Monday, guys. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday of next week. If we don't surpass all-time highs in that amount of time, I do believe in that amount of time we've already seen a pullback to like at least the middle of this range, kind of like where this wick went. But I think we'll get an actual meat close there, not just a wick. And then I think you'll see some settling and then some basing. But guys, do not turn super bearish on this market yet. It is not. They had a chance here. They had a chance here. This is just rejecting all-time high supply so far. It's not actually super bearish yet, right? When is it super bearish? When we get a nice break of structure. We can get an actual break of 467.50s. Besides this open range move, you know, that would have been nice to get a pullback there. But let's be honest, it didn't really have a retest there. It just kind of fell, right? So it would have been hard for them to continue that without everybody being on the same trade. But like I said before, not making it obvious. But you can see they end up making a very indecisive candle. We talk about how this is like a transfer of power candle a lot of the time. Not always, but when it's positioned in the right spot, it can be. And it was here. See, this one's continuation. This one's for reversal. This was for reversal. So you can see the different uses of them on the bigger time frame. So right now we're seeing just a seller reaction. This is very normal. I'm not going to take away from this and be like, oh, we're definitely pulling back the year. No, I mean, we could. We did the first time. So we definitely could again. But I'm not going to turn super bearish until we actually see a break of structure, right? This is, if anything, building consolidation to make it past all-time highs. Remember when I said they're not going to make it obvious? When I first said that, that was back here. We've had so much more price action go up into resistance, back into support, back into resistance again. So if anything, I just see this building up power for a bigger move in the future. Whether it's up or down, I don't know and I don't care. Because either way, we're going to take the advantage. Give me a double top and then more inflation. Another 22 right on election time. A man can dream. You could get all-time highs, man. This could be the craziest year. I mean, we saw Qs do it for a little. If you go to that chart, we saw them breaking all-time highs for a bit. They're back under it again. Ooh, tech chart's not looking good, guys. Possible bearish retest under 409.50s. You're my spirit animal. Yep, exactly, Peoples. I'm glad you're seeing it, man. I shouldn't have to say it. I'm glad. Everybody read People's message in the YouTube chat. He said, we've had the same pattern every morning attempting to break the previous day high. Then we get a fake retest. This is the setup me and Leland have been going over for months with you guys. Whenever you see that 40% entry go, and then you see them retake the level that was supposed to be for, let's say it was breaking a level to the upside, right? It was supposed to be bullish, and they ended up breaking that level again. Guess what? That was bullish trade is now turned into a very bearish trade. But most people haven't flipped yet because they're still stuck in the mindset of, oh, this is going to go up soon. No, it's not. It just broke the level it was going to break out for bulls. Now it's going to fall. Sting like a bee. Bear is an animal. I fly. Long tech, short oils, the incel market maker trade of the year, and I want to go opposite, but too busy right now. Yeah, I definitely, maybe not at this position of the chart. For them. To really dig under the hood. Okay. Alright, guys. Alright. Should we do the giveaway now? I thought you just did the giveaway. No. Yeah, you still have the bearish retest on triple Qs. It's technically still happening on SPY too. I think I'm done for the day. Gonna watch the Shark Mental rest through the day later on. See you later, King Carnage. Appreciate you, man. Done for the day. Caught 32%. I have to go and shovel this blizzard. Jesus. Be safe, Crater. Be warm. When you come back in, I'll have some hot cocoa for you. Wasn't that free? So I actually had no intentions of doing a giveaway, but somebody had the idea that we should do one, Mr. Clean, and he had got one like a few months ago, and then he got lifetime, and he was like trying to get it refunded, but he didn't really care about the money. It wasn't the money he was going after. He just was looking for a use of like, hey, I just got this. But since he had it for so long, I was like, man, that's kind of weird that you asked that. So he was like, we should just do a giveaway then. I was like, you know what? I'll match you. So I'm gonna give away 2 of them today. I said on Twitter I'd only be giving away 1 course number 2, but I'm actually gonna be giving away 2 of them. So guys, please do not enter this if you already own it. And if you do want to just play the game, please just give up the course to whoever isn't winning. You know, if somebody didn't win and they clearly don't own the course, please give it up to one of those people by your choosing. I'll let you decide who, but if you want to still play in the game for the giveaway, because it is kind of cool. It's cool to engage in it. But I am going to be matching Mr. Clean on his great idea, so we're going to be giving away 2 of them. Let me post on Twitter first, though, because I'm pretty sure it's where most people were waiting for me to post that. So 1 second. I'm almost at 10,000 tweets. That's crazy. I've had this account for almost 10 years, and I only have less than 10,000 tweets. There's people who have spent a couple months on that app and gotten past 10,000. Alright, so how to enter the giveaway. You have to go to the Bueller Buy server. Jesus. You have to go to the Bueller Buy server. You have to go to off-topic chat. This is a chat anybody can type in, so I don't want to hear any complaining. Jeez, I chose a great chat to click on, didn't I? Alright, so the keyword to enter giveaway. What should the keyword be? What's something that my brain would think of? He's over here saying pineapple. Sandollar. He just gifted 5 memberships. Tobias Lalit, Garden Trader, David Q, and Chill Will. Guys, congrats. Man, you're a real one, Sandollar. Alright, back to keyword. Dollar. Assholes, you already started typing. So we got Timmy. Alright, I'm gonna come back in here. So the reason I'm doing it here is because I can actually go back in this. YouTube will not save up to a certain amount of messages, and I'm not just gonna start typing those names instantly. I'm gonna give it a few minutes, give people a chance to get in. I'm gonna lock it down. Anybody who wants to enter cannot while I'm typing the names, because I'm just not dealing with that today. And then yeah, once we get past that, we get everybody's name in, we'll start the game. So give it a few minutes. And honestly, and this is just free marketing, let's be honest. If you don't win and you don't own the course, I would not wait to do another giveaway. Just get the course. It's $75 and it's probably the cheapest course you'll ever get in your life, while also giving you a lot of information. There's people out there who charge for this exact information who stole from me, steal my information and sell it for thousands of dollars. I'm underselling them because I want more people to get it. I want more people to have that information without having to spin an arm and a leg. I understand that life is a thing and that people have to pay for things. I don't know how people expect anybody to learn the tutelage of the market by paying thousands of dollars to one person for one thing. It's not going to change your trading. I'm sorry to tell you that. And neither is this $75 course, but it will give you structure and stability, hopefully, if you stick with it. And it's just a good path ahead. Sandollar, what are you doing? He gifted 5 memberships and he just donated $4 for some Russian coffee, dude. I appreciate you. And seriously, thank you. Shout out to Tobias, Lalit, Garden, David Q, and Chill Will. All of you guys got a free month of membership thanks to Sandollar. Again, that's not him just gifting the channel 25 bucks. That is him giving somebody an entire month access to all of the videos in that section, excuse me. Which is crazy because there's a lot of videos in there now. I was counting and it's actually crazy. In my lifetime section, I got like 60 videos, I think plus. I think I'm over that now. The premium has, I think, just over 40 or almost 40, which is a lot, by the way. These are individual videos. And then on the YouTube membership, we're closing in on like 80. So it's kind of cool seeing all the different videos progress too. But thank you, Sanddollar. I appreciate you, and I hope the people that got that free membership actually take advantage of it. I hope they actually use it for a month and actually go through as many videos as they can. Thank you for that. Again, if you're wanting to enter the giveaway, it's in the off-topic channel of the Bueller Buys Discord server. Off-topic channel. It is a free channel to everybody to view. Fake Mojo. I like how out of everybody who typed dollar, you're the only person who like replied to the post. Now, I'm not saying you had to do that, but I just thought it was funny. Gotta go take care, friends. See you later, fool. I'll miss you. I don't know about the rest of these people, but I'll miss you. And Garden Trader, shout out to you. You've been super active lately. I feel like I've seen your name here like for the past few months, very actively, all the time, every week. So shout out to you. Just random shout out. What you up to, Dividend? You said I'm calls. Are you in calls? You like the retake of previous day close, I'm assuming. It isn't a bad look. Yeah, we got a whole 3-day weekend. That's true, Mighty One. She said 3-day weekend to watch Bueller and chill. Thank you, boss. Yeah, we do have a 3-day weekend, don't we? It's kind of weird to think about because I have like I used to have friends that were in like the finance, community, and some of them still have jobs. Some of them still have work on Monday. So it's kind of funny the market's closed. I'll give the giveaway 2 more minutes. Again, if you want to enter, it is... Can't find my own channel. Here it is. Off-topic chat. I gotta look at some of the guys above. I gotta leave it on like Timmy's message, so I know he's first. Being first or last doesn't matter, by the way. It's all RNG. By the way, SPY still looking like it's trying to hold previous day close, but we'll see if that continues to hold. If this fails, then they break under this low. That's not good. And they're most likely going to 475. Same story for the Qs, except if they don't get under, or if they get under 409.40s and make that new low, that can cause another leg down. A break over 410 can cause a pump up to the highs. So just keep that in mind. By the way, how's the music? Is it too loud? I have not looked at my OBS that much today. So if you guys have been getting blasted in the eardrums, I am sorry. Please let me know. Y'all are technically my audio engineers. Y'all tagging me down here. Thank you guys for actually listening to instruction. I appreciate that. Leave it up to peoples to always change the mood. I love that about Jay. All of us could be down in the gutters, and this man would be here to cheer us up. It's all good. Okay, good. Thank you. I've really been learning. I owe it all to you and the people who give it out free memberships. I feel I owe them to work hard so I can give back. I feel that. That's a good thing. That's a good thing to kind of set that goal above you to pay people back, even if it doesn't matter, Shout out to you. But no, I just wanted to commend you on your activity. I appreciate you for being here. I know it's not easy. It's a lot of people think it's so easy to get into trading, and it is. It is easy to get into trading. But what's harder? To stay in trading. Staying in trading can be one of the hardest, biggest, bitches, most painful experiences in your life. I think all of you can agree. But over time, as you build structure and stability, it can be a little bit alleviating. It could be fun. Scalped or scaled puts here. Sorry, I have a third of position left. Good luck, Zeke. Thank you for the updates. I'm gonna have to come out with a channel or something, man, and chat. And I'm gonna have to put like 5 or 6 or 7 of you in there. Like, I'm just gonna put the most like optimized BB traders in there, and just let them go to work. People like Zeke, people like Mel, people like Username. I mean, there's so many people in chat that could post just like that too, and it's crazy because I genuinely find so much joy in looking at you guys post, because then it's like, all right, they're still on task, and then if I see you guys post right, it's like, okay, these guys are not just on task, they're locked in, like they're super focused. So it's nice to kind of watch the story of the chart just by reading y'all's messages sometimes. Timmy, that's an accurate comment. Okay, Chief, time for me to take a breakfast break. Been up all night with some friends on the other side of the planet. Trade safely, everyone. Have a great weekend. You too, $Sand. Get some rest, man. We'll miss you. New me, 35%. Wait, what? New me, 35%, and now cracked 300%, and now I want to win the course. Oh my God, Mel is not done. He said he doesn't want to just win money. He wants to win the course. By the way, lifetime members, how many of you guys completed the course or have at least gone through most of it? I don't expect you all to, finish it super fast, but I know Eric has gotten through most of it. He's one of the first ones. Eric flew through that course. That first night we released it, he went through like most of it, except the swing trading section, I think. And maybe some of the extras. Peoples has done most. Nice. Yeah, some of them, there's not a quiz. Like most sections have a quiz, but there's like a couple, like swing trading. That one doesn't have a quiz. It's just videos. So I don't blame people for taking their time on that one. 100% done and still reviewing. That's what Eric said. Okay, he did finish it all. Zeke said, "Give me new lows." There they are. Oh, Leland, my bad, bro. I don't have my headset on. I don't know. I never have my headset on. I don't listen to the music with these people. My bad, man. I just saw what you sent me. Hold up. I'll call you. Are you still trying to call me, Leland? Land of Lee? Oh, my headset turned off. Hold up. Oh, banger music. Oh. Yeah. Alright, let me call Leland. Y'all gotta tell me if he's loud or not. Yo, what's up, man? Totally wasn't talking bad about you earlier. What's up, man? Oh. Wait, 1 second, guys.
Now I can hear you.
Oh. Yo, my bad, man. I'm so sorry that I pretended to ignore your message.
It's all good. I just wanted to join for the giveaway. Make sure
Yes!
Peoples doesn't win.
So you're gonna be here for it. I'm excited. Yeah, it's gonna be that Marbles game, man. I gotta load my game from Steam, and then I gotta type everybody's name in, and then I gotta send it. But once we get everybody's name in, we'll be good to go. Yo, I'm hyped you're in here for the giveaway. I didn't even think about that.
What?
I said I'm hyped that you're here for the giveaway. I didn't even think about inviting anybody.
Oh yeah, I deleted people's comments like 10 times.
Fair enough. I didn't see it. Didn't happen.
Nobody did.
Yeah, nobody did right with like a threatening voice of you banning them if they say yes, they do.
Looks like that new low failed.
Alright, so guys, no more dilemmas. Keep these small updates going, Leland, while I type all these names in on this game that I have to load. And dear God, please don't crash. Please don't crash. Alright, here we go. Also, hold up. Let me have this open before it even happens.
Wonder, can I time somebody out on Discord?
If they were in a call, you could. So you just gotta bait peoples into thinking that you want to talk to them. Go into a call with them, and then you could just have your fun. I'm just kidding, peoples. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I would never
Just
do
keep
that.
deleting this.
Yeah, and then DM him just to mess with him more. Yo, I haven't seen you in chat in a while, bro. Where you been?
Yeah, where you at? You want to join the giveaway?
Yeah, why are you so inactive?
He just keeps typing dollar.
Alright, let's load it. Oh my god, of course my dog's crying.
We just rejected previous day close on SPX at least.
Wait, there's a giveaway? Wait, there's a YouTube stream? Give it a second, guys. I have a black screen. Is it gonna crash? Do I have to just do the spinny wheel? That'll suck. I wanted to do this. High key, I think I already have to close this.
The marbles game?
Oh, there it is. Just kidding. It works just fine. Race. Race settings. Here we go. This is what I was doing. Add names. See, I was doing numbers the other day. So it does save it. Okay, cool. Okay. Alright, 1 second, guys. I have to read all your names. Alright, no more entries. No more entries. I'm not counting your name if you're starting to type it right now. I'll give it a 30-second grace period. If you type in off-topic chat, you type the keyword. If you scroll up and look at the keyword, I gotta start typing names, though, because there's a lot of you. I can only have up to 500, so good thing we don't have that many. Timmy. Sack and save.
I just posted a quick chart in Reason Over Risk. It said lots of wicks around 47.72 on SPX. Bears beware. Bulls may be lurking. From previous day, like near the close, there was lots of buyers there. Holding just above 47.70. be looking to exit most of my puts there, personally.
Vern. J. Vern. Oh, there's a J there. I'm blind. J. Vern.
If we flush 4770, it's looks like it's got room to run.
J. Horst 87. Why does that look so familiar? Okay, Garden Trader 13.
The 1 hour looks gorgeous. The first hourly candle was a nice shooting star at previous day high. And now this hour flushing through previous day close.
Thank you, Mighty One, for typing it in all caps. You can't enter the giveaway now. You typed it wrong. No, I'm kidding. Mighty 188. Risen, what's up, Risen? Risen's another guy who's always here. Appreciate you, man. Detouch clutch, coming in clutch.
There's that 4772 level hitting.
Man, how nice of you, Leland, to come in here and
Flushing hard.
do my job for me. I appreciate that. Kid 83. Chupapi.
Boom, 120%. Let's go.
Something light. Yo, Leland.
Easy pickings. What's up?
Oh, okay, I was making sure you could hear me.
Yeah, I can hear you. I'm just in the zone. Pajamas on, hood up. Let's go.
Pajamas
Red Bull
on.
in hand.
I believe every fucking word of it, too. Mel, did I already get you? No, your name's just stuck in my head. Okay, never mind. Oh, my bad. I'll get your whole name in there. Mel 12.
What's up, J-Bake? Long time no see. 4770 Flushing.
Wait,
Let's
J-Bake's in
go. I just saw his name show up, yeah.
Love J-Bake. I still speak great things about you behind your back. Only behind your back, though. I'll never say them in front of your face. What is this game? Hell. No, I'm kidding. It's marbles. It's for the giveaway. If you want to enter, type dollar on the off-topic chat. Alright, finally, some names I've never seen before. MBOP19. Nice. Mbop. Easy enough to remember. Tonley. Easy enough to remember. C-Stamp. Did I already get you in here? Nope, I'm thinking of CJ. And I'm thinking of your trade review. C-Stem. Deuce. Yo, Leo, did you type twice? Bro, I'm blocking people's. I'm blocking people's, bro. I am blocking people's.
Leonardo, this freaking troll.
Oh my god, he got me because he changed his profile pic too. That was genius. I almost typed your name again. Hold up. This little shit. That was genius. I'll give you that one. That was pretty funny. I was like, I clicked on the name and it said Peoples with the name. I was like, okay, that's him. Alright, Peoples, I'll get your name in here. But I'm putting your real name. God, that was funny.
Oh, we're not trading today, J-Bake. We're playing mobile games.
I already kind of took some trades, but yeah, we're doing a giveaway right now. People type a key.
Yeah, I'm just kidding.
And we're about to run it. There's just so many people.
He's like, what are we looking at? This don't look like Spy to me.
He's like, what did y'all do when I left? Oh, you ain't heard? This is the new crypto, bro.
Yeah, this is what's that game called? Crypto Zoo, Logan Paul.
Oh my god. Alright, everybody. Did I get Leland in here?
Oh yeah, enter me for shits and giggles. Marble coin.
Marble coin, there you go. All my homies love crypto too. Alright, so before I click finish, did anybody's name not get entered? Let's reread this again. I don't want to see anybody complaining afterwards.
Disability for a year. That's crazy.
Tore left ends in your left hand? Oh my god, dude. Hope you're okay, man, for real. This is always a home for you. You ever want to come in here and chill, you can. Damn, man, that's insane. Disability for a year is wild. I hope you recover, though, man, for real. Like, screw the money aspect of it. I hope you, like, genuinely just recover. Hey, hold up. Wait. Was it your beat-making hand? Because if it's the beat-making hand, I'll cry. If anybody doesn't know, J-Bake... I don't know if he still does or not. I'm not trying to, like, hey, I just don't know. But he used to make beats, and they were really, really good. Fitz, React, Dollar. Christian 39, I got you. J Horst, Garden Trader, Jacko, Peanut, Mighty One, Risen, D Touch, KBR, Santana, Valdor.
No more gloving though, that's for sure.
My fingers are basically dead limbs. I still make beats, but it's on my dominant hand. Ah, son of a. We got Chupapi.
Damn.
We got T-Bone. Got Mojo. Alright, sorry guys, it's taking forever. I just want to make sure I do not miss anybody. Mel, Traveler, Carp, and Green We Trust. I got you. Mbop. I'm kind of rooting for you, Mbop. I'm not going to lie. I'm just strictly going off of the name. Tonley, C-Stem, Deuce, Peoples. That was genius. Maps the Great.
All right, so like I said, so far we got a couple bulls showing up at 4770.
Isn't that nice?
They're holding that level. See if they can actually step up.
Oh, Joyful, I got you in at the last second. Alright, all close, guys. High key, should I have my own name and choose somebody if I win? Nah. There's already enough of you in here. Alright, finish. Alright, so we have all the names in here. Now what we need to do is choose a map. So I'm going to click random 7 times. On the 7th click, we're going to play that map. The person who finishes first is the winner of the course. I will DM you on Discord and you will get in. Are you in? I don't think I typed your name. You didn't type dollar. And if you did, I'm just blind. Alright, I'll add you. He's like, I just want to see, I just want to win. Dividend Bull. Here we go. Ace just got here. Gotta add Ace. Alright, no more. Finish. Making sure it's all there. Ace. Got you. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Alright, so we got a new 1 hour and 30-minute candle opening up here. So let's see what happens.
Alright, everybody. Race is starting. Holy crap, this map is overwhelming. Okay, so you're going down that thing. You're going across that. It looks like... Is that the moon? That's Mars? I don't know what I'm even looking at anymore. Why is the moon after Mars? These planets are not in correct order. Oh, wait. That's the sun. Okay, never mind. They are in correct order. I'm stupid. Never mind. Okay, I'm starting the race. Let's see who's in first. I can click 1 and see who's in first. We'll see who comes out on top. Zeke is in first so far. Garden Trader, J-Horse, Deuce, and Green We Trust, Timmy, Valdora. Wow, this map is trippy looking.
That's the spirit, J-Bake.
Let's go, Zeke! Haul ass, Zeke!
Just zone in and grind.
Damn, Zeke gonna win this by a mile? Uh-oh, some people getting stopped here. Deuce is stuck there. Let's get back to first. Zeke taking it by a mile. Timmy right on his ass. In Green We Trust, catching up. There's Mel. They're passing Mars. We're headed to... I can't even tell anymore. Uh-oh, somebody fell off. Oh, Dividend Boy.
Probably me.
Okay, where the hell is this going? I'm just going to follow Zeke's ball. We're going to follow this one.
Pause.
It goes through the whole solar system. Jesus. How does it have momentum to go up? We're going to beat Zeke up there.
Previous 5-minute inside bar breaking to the upside off that 4770 level.
Dude, Zeke is in the lead by a minute. Damn, Zeke, is this about to be a free race for you? There's like no obstacles in the way. Hold up. Let's get past this planet real quick.
Still just an inside bar on the 15.
Yo, what's up, B-Ferg? Welcome to the stream. Yeah, people who are just now joining are going to be mad confused. This is for the course giveaway. I wanted to do a fun game instead of the spinny wheel. Spinny wheel just wasn't getting my rocks off like it could have been. You're still confused? Alright, so we're doing a giveaway. The person who wins the giveaway. We're doing 2 of them.
I mean, look at that bounce off that level. That's just... I love when that shit happens.
I'll alt-tab here in a second. Okay, this race was boring. Okay, people are dying. Never mind. Some of y'all just hit Saturn's rings. Damn, Zeke uncontested first, like the whole race.
Yeah, peoples, I'm just too addicted to the charts.
Mel just won! Oh no, T-Bone Panda's catching your ass.
Oh my, who fell off?
Zeke fell. Oh my god, Mel actually won the first race. What the fuck?
Wait, it's not over yet. Who drops first?
Mel got it. And then T-Bone
shit.
and Green We Trust risen. Mel's the winner, though. Okay, Mel.
Bro, so many people have fallen off.
Okay, I need to alt-tab real quick.
See those wicks from previous day, like right before we closed? That's basically the level I was watching for bulls to show up once we flushed below those wicks.
Oh, you're talking about these?
Yeah, those right there.
Okay, just making sure.
So we pushed below those and then bulls.
Yo, so where did Zeke go? Okay, he finished just 7 seconds later. Damn, you must have got caught up.
Zeke said, I was getting the beers ready.
Mel said, I'm going to win, and then he won. That's funny. All right, race menu. All right, so Mel, find somebody to give the course to, and then tell me who you're giving it to. Type it in off-topic chat. All right, second one. Mel cannot enter this race.
Watch Mel be like, I'm keeping it.
I wanted another one. That's funny. Mel straight up said, I'm going to win this race, and then he just straight up won it. All right. Finish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This one looks boring. I'm making the executive decision to click random again. Hold up. I'm waiting till I see one that I just... That one looks like it would be boring to watch. A Leap to Remember? Okay, wait, this might be it. Yeah, reacts.
What about Few Will Survive?
You're right here. There's on some of the maps, there's like small RNG that you can fall off and all kinds of shit. It's pretty much luck, is what I'm saying. Like, it's luck to win. Alright, we're doing another one. This is for the winner of the second course. Whoever finishes first wins. This one's
And
yours.
just like that, Tesla's back to today's open.
And just like that, everybody's bearish bias slowly dissipated away. Oh, this was
Let's see where we hit. I'm marking a fib.
Okay, this
I
one's
mean,
trippy.
bro, we rejected that gap down's golden pocket like perfectly on Tesla.
Race has
Love
started,
to see
everybody.
it. Mara down another 10%. Oh my god.
What?
Yesterday created so many bag holders for Coin and Mara and Riot probably.
Oh my god, Jacko's in first. Yo, yeah, 100% it did. For crypto.
Just like that, you're a long-term investor. Congrats.
Welcome to the family. Oh my gosh, in green we trust with a dominant lead. Oh, he got stuck on the pole. Others are moving. Oh, that's a pain in the ass. Oh, he got by that one. Oh, somebody got launched. Pablo.
Oh my god.
What the hell?
Oh, did you see that guy in the back? Triton?
Yeah. Oh, cannon's loaded. Green we trust is first in, and he wins. Nice. Let's see if anybody misses this. Okay, cool. Everybody congratulate In Green We Trust.
Congrats.
What did I just walk into here? Nothing? Hold on, I'll let y'all finish the race. There's React. Yo, that one went through one of the things. That was crazy.
Bulls trying to retake previous day close here on SPX.
Come on, React. Make it through one of the hoops. Oh, he hit the hoop. Wow, of course. What are the chances of that? I was in third, then completely disappeared. Gonna go cry. I told you, this game's fucking... It's weird. Alright. In Green We Trust. Be sure to hit me up. Off-topic chat. I'll DM you. How do I exit this game? Alt F4. How about that one? He said, bro, why me? I gotta go. Alright. Congratulations. Mel, who are you giving your course away to?
Oh, he said he's giving it to me.
Mel, I need an answer from you within 10 minutes. In Green We Trust, I'm gonna DM you. Whatever your name is.
Mel said he had to step out. You won, dude.
He didn't even see? In Green We Trust, be sure to DM me back. I just sent you a message. He's like, I walked out. Didn't even know that he won. Mel, I need you to pick somebody that you want to name the course to. Choose one of the white names from the off-topic channel. Or anybody who doesn't have it, I guess. Mel stepped out, won the course, and probably made a grant. Yeah, that's accurate. And yeah, good call out by Leland. He called out pretty decent short-term longs. Why is the music not playing? Guy broke YouTube. Oh, there we go. Can't believe I missed it. Hey, it's okay, man. Don't worry about it. It was just a little fun little marbles game. I got kind of bored of the spinny wheel thing, you know? So I wanted to find something that was different. And I remembered that marbles game was really popular on Twitch a long time ago. And I saw somebody play it again recently. I was like, oh my god, we should be doing that. That would be so much more fun. I don't know. Some of y'all might think it's stupid. I thought it was unique. Something we could do extra. You want me to pick a name for you? Okay, I got you. I have someone in mind.
Himself.
Yeah. I know exactly who I'm going to. I am giving Mel's course to Fake Mojo. Way better than a wheel? Okay. So you guys liked it too. Good. Oh my god, is it finally breaking that level?
Are you in Boeing put still?
Yes. It's just they've been bouncing between like 60 and 70%, so I was like, I haven't really felt the need to sell them yet, because I want 218.50 to sell, because I have a strong ass target at 214.50. It's like halfway of this green candle, so if the next level breaks, I can go to the next retest point. And
Dude,
I also think it has energy to do it because it actually gave itself positive like impulse move and rejected a good supply, and then it pushed lower. So that's why I was like, all right, I can chase it now instead of just buying puts here.
Yeah, they rejected that 230 level twice.
Yeah, really well too.
Then broke below that 225.
The meat of the candle too was a lower high. It was just everything. Honestly, it was so clean. So yeah, I'm looking to see if it sells under that level.
I'll check the weekly.
I probably should take some.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna trim some of them here. I need to not be stupid. I need to be setting a good example for people. We're gonna sell 5 of them here so we get our money back.
Yeah, like the high 217s, 218 looks like a pretty good level.
Alright. I had
Is that little wick from November 27th?
Bet. Let me look at that. November 27th. Okay, yeah. That's good. Yeah, that's the area I'm kind of.
You pretty much have that same level.
It's like halfway point of that's like 214 something. Alright, I set a good example. I sold 5 for like 69%. And we're still in 4.
Hey.
Which are all free basically. Hey yo. I need simple. Is that Brett Simba I hear? No, this is Leland. This is one of my traders. This is one of my homies. I don't even know if Brett Simba knows I exist. And I don't care if he does.
I had to look him up.
I don't follow shills who tell people to short on the way up. Like, it's okay to be wrong, guys. I never hate these social media traders because they're wrong or right. That's not my point. I don't like them because they almost bully people and sound cocky and ignorant when they're telling people, hey, I'm going to be right. This is going to pay off. You should all join me or you're dumb. and then they're wrong and they lose a lot of money, and it's like, bro, you just bullied so many people to get into that trade with you because they look up to you, and now you're losing them all money. Like that is your fault. You could sit here and say it's that person's decision to make the trade. Yeah, but when someone you believe in is telling you shit like that, it's hard to believe what's right and what's wrong. So from a follower's point of view, that guy's a douche. That guy's a horrible trader. He can catch these hands because he does not use fibs the same way we do in here. Nobody does. He can pretend he's the father of fibs all he wants, but he's not shit. And he just ruins his followers' accounts all the time. That's why I don't mess with a lot of social media traders. It's because of that reason. It's not that they're right or wrong. It's because they're cocky to people who believe in them. If I sat here and I said, guys, I'm getting into puts here. Make sure you're following me. You guys, some of you would follow me because you believe in this group. You believe in this community. So you would follow it, right? It's crazy. So I just can't mess with people who talk like that. That's just ignorant. It's ignorant, and it just shows that you're unintelligent as a person. It doesn't take an intelligent person to...
There you go.
To be
proof right there. You just said, I feel that I lost a lot of money with him.
Yeah,
I mean,
and you probably did. I'm not going to sit here and be like, it's not your fault. It is partially your fault. But...
Not to interrupt you, but SPY reclaimed, or SPX reclaimed previous day close, and this 3-bar playing right now off of it. That's quite a bounce. Oh, damn. Wish I bought calls.
Oh, my bad, fake Mojo. DM me on Discord, Mojo.
I exited my puts at 47.70, but didn't switch to the longs. Oh well. Next time.
Mojo, you don't have to find me. I already DM'd you on Discord. Just say hi back or something so I know that you're there. I don't want to just send this link and you're not there. I gotta find the link actually. What am I talking about? It freaks me out because I click on it and it says 12/31/2023 and I'm like, did I post that last year? It's like, yeah, that's New Year's, dummy. Copy text.
I want to go back and look at 2007, 2008, how we reacted to the previous all-time high from like 2001. Oh my God. Wouldn't you believe it? There's an inside bar and an outside bar, then an inside bar, and then two outside bars. That's crazy. That's some wild price action right there.
Yeah, Beefer, that's the crowd I'm talking about, basically what you just said. I also love the this is so easy vibes. I hate when people try to act like that. Such horseshit. Every trader who's made it has struggled and cried into a pillow before. I'll tell you that right now. Nobody's safe out here. It's not even about like you should only follow people who are profitable and can prove it. It's not even. I'm not even making that argument. I'm not even going that far. It's literally just the whole persona of like, oh, this is so easy. You guys should all follow me. Blah blah blah. Like that's the type of persona you should not be following right now. That's not the type of person that's looking to help you. or have anything, that can help you. Again, in Green We Trust and Fake Mojo, I messaged y'all on Discord. Be sure to check that out when you have time. Oh, I didn't want the course. I just wanted to win the marbles game. And yeah, we'll have to get some more people here on these streams. Zeke can join when he wants. Pretty much any of my mods can. Could bring Champion back here one day. You guys don't make 100K a week without even trying? What do you exactly? And everyone talks like that. It's crazy on Twitter. That's why I'm just not on there all the time, because everybody on there is so fake. It's like, dude, I'm just looking to grow. I'm not looking to try to be the coolest kid on the block. Like, I don't know why everyone's trying to be like that. No one cares. Does it get you more views, more attention? Yes, sadly it does, because that's how our society works, but it's not going to last long. I'd rather have a community of 50, 60, 70, 100 people that are super quality individuals over a community of thousands of people who are just yapping at everything. That just doesn't make sense to me. Can you join Monday? Yeah, sure. Yeah. Meet me here Monday, peoples. Be here bright and early.
This guy.
Beat me here for pre-market. I'll be here. That's a joke, by the way, everybody. Please do not join Monday. The market is closed. I've cried plenty of times. Exactly. Like, everybody who cares about this shit struggles for it. It's not a walk in the park for anybody. Damn, peoples, I thought you were joking. I actually could have gotten you. I mean, Leonardo.
We're starting to break back below previous day close. Do with that information what you will.
Tuesday? Nah, I'm off that day. Nah, I'm messing with you, Jay. Yeah, you could join. Just make sure to message me in pre-market so I know to remember to call you. All right, I can focus on Leland now. How you doing, bud?
I'm just chilling.
Retake of previous day close. Looks like they're trying to hold a bullish retest over that if they can continue holding. But we're also just under the opening candle as well from the first 5 minutes of today on Triple Q. I need to check some individual weights. Let me go look at that. I didn't look at anything today. Yeah, Leland, I think your theory was correct, though. Even if the levels weren't on Tesla. I think you were right about, like, they didn't want to buy this because it wasn't good enough risk reward when they can buy cheaper shares down here. Regardless of news, it's just leading towards earnings. They might actually get a lot better of a buy here. Plus, there's all these gaps down here. Maybe we'll see that.
Yeah, I'll be looking to buy around 200 to 210.
There's no news on Meta today, right? This is natural action I'm seeing. I mean, this is like the cleanest chart I think I've seen all day.
Wow, did you see the daily?
I'm scared to look.
Yesterday's candle on Meta?
Dear Lord.
Yeah.
That's so clean, too. You do the 50% of the recent high to the top candle, it wicked. I mean, honestly, screw the fib. It did the whole retest.
Plus the inside bar.
Oh, yeah, I didn't even notice.
Yesterday.
That. Wow.
We're coming up on all-time high on that stock, too.
Yeah, I can't wait for that one. 384.
This breakout must be because Zuck's raising Wagyu beef in Hawaii now.
Are you memeing?
No.
Alright, going to check.
I mean, yeah, but he really is doing that. I was reading some of the comments on his Instagram post. It's just like nothing but vegans raging against him.
They're mad that he's doing Wagyu. I think that's cool as hell.
Yeah, I agree.
There's an entire.
They're just mad that he's raising beef, period.
They're fed macadamia nuts and beer. That's it. That's what those cows are fed. Hold up. I need to invest now.
Yeah. People are mad.
Japanese
Mighty One, we have
cattle
one.
Eat a mixture of grass and grain. But he's feeding them macadamia nuts and beer. Huh. I'll have to try one of these out because I've had Japanese Wagyu and it's top tier. But I'll have to try out this beer and macadamia nut mixture.
Yeah, I'll buy.
Yeah, I'll buy it. Finally, Zuckerberg's releasing a product people want to buy. We need a Zuck drinking H2O emoji. Oh my god, we do. That emoji's so funny.
Check trade floor.
Oh. Yeah, wait, we already had... I knew that. I could handle that diet.
I think I added that one the day that happened.
I think when she said that, my mind went to the Baby Ray.
Oh, not on YouTube. But on Discord we have it.
The Baby Ray sauce picture will always forever be my favorite Zuckerberg picture. Look, bro, Google knew what I wanted. It said Mark Zuckerberg Sweet Baby Ray's bookshelf. It knew what I wanted. Cause yeah, he did this like Steve Jobs like interview and like breakdown of a bunch of stuff around his company and everything going on, and then somebody randomly found that there was a Sweet Baby Ray's bottle like sitting up here. It was like, what the hell?
Yeah, he's trolling. He put that so there on purpose.
So he knows what he's doing.
Yeah. Same with the water. Did you see the picture of him at his like I don't even know where he is,
Capitol Hill?
His picture where he announced that he's doing the beef fed cattle.
Oh, okay, never mind. No, I'm off.
Oh, he has a water cup next to him, but he put like a lid on top of it. It's so weird. Here, I'll send it to you.
Yeah, I'll never find it because the current meme is the old one. Like, you type in water cup with lid Mark Zuckerberg, you're not getting that picture. Let me see. Wait, yeah, what? Hold up, maybe he was worried about, like, sand getting in it or something.
Oh, no, he's inside, isn't he?
Oh, no, never mind, he is inside.
I think it's just like a troll because the water...
He's such a genius. I hate him and love him at the same time.
Same.
I hate most of his ideas and companies, but he himself is so funny and like it knows how to stay trending forever. He'll never not trend until he just doesn't care about trending anymore. Did anybody hear that?
Oh yeah.
A car controlled by a PS5 controller. Yeah. Isn't that movie we saw?
Yeah, that was me, Maddie. I sent it in the memes channel. I forgot about that.
Oh.
I zoomed in on it too.
I mean, it is possible though. Didn't they have that movie with Gran Turismo where all those gamers play it? So I mean, it's not far fetched that a controller could control a car soon. Yeah, gamers already doing it.
Car controlled by PS5. Holy crap!
How easy it'd be to.
Have you ever seen those videos of people like just speeding like crazy, weaving through traffic? Now we're really gonna get people doing that.
Yeah, like 9 out of 10 times it's like a GTR.
Yeah.
Me flying down the road in GTA 5. Me in 2026 finally playing GTA 6. What a good stream.
You going full day?
Hell no.
Alright.
I was gonna do a full day stream this week, but honestly, I've been enjoying myself, so I just want to like, take my profits on the entertainment side of things. But no, I'll probably do some full day streams next week. To be honest, I've been kind of like building up my energy for it, because it is a lot. It's not just like, because I don't think people understand. Like when I do a full day stream, I genuinely talk
The whole time.
Your mic is on for your information. Yeah, I mean, I would hope that's how this works. Where's GTA 6 though? GTA 6. Arc 2, yeah, that's never coming out. Just sell you glasses. Bueller's stamina for full day streams is consolidating. It really is. No, next week we'll have a full day stream. There was a submersible controlled by... Oh. Still too soon? Still too soon?
Damn.
No, probably not. God, CJ. That was good. Damn, nice, VC. Nice. I had 9, and I took profit on... It was one of these 2 candles, I don't remember. But I took profit on 5 of them VC, so I'm like break even on my play with the rest as runners, like profit. But they seem to be curling here, so I wouldn't be surprised if we got a short-term buyer reaction off of 218.45. But if they do fail, the next couple levels are 217.60s, 216, 214.30s, which I am going to try to make it to one of these 2 levels here. Good stuff though, VC. You've been killing it, man. You haven't really been like sometimes when people follow plays with me, VC, they don't pay attention, and then it requires them to ask me about 65 questions while I'm in the trade, and it's very annoying. So I do appreciate you for not just paying attention, but also not being annoying. Thank you for that.
Or like 5 days after you've taken profit. Hey, are you still in that?
Yeah, I've had that a lot. I had it happen a lot too. Me and Lilian were just making fun of that like a couple weeks ago. But I'd like close a play, and then like 3 days later it'd continue in that direction. After failing, by the way. Like my idea would work, then it would invalidate after I took profit, and then it'd keep going in that direction, and somebody would pop up and be like, yo man, are you still in that? Like thinking I'm still somehow bag holding. Like, no, I'm not in that still. Why would I still be in that? It literally went up $10. I was in puts. Why would I still be holding runners? It just doesn't make sense. No Logitech, so we chillin'. I got a Logitech keyboard. Oh, you're talking about to run the ship thing. Dividend Bull with the quick answer on NDX. Look at you. I think I charted this yesterday because of you, Ravin, did I not? And clearly, we need to update the levels. So that one, yeah, that can change. Oh, wait, hold up. Let me add that back. So yesterday...
I wonder if we're getting a repeat of yesterday.
Okay, so following what we talked about yesterday, Robin, it did do what I said. It even followed my little line there for a minute. It's a little weird. But let's clear this up a little bit. So that's invalidated. That's invalidated. These lines are pointless to keep on the screen. It never broke that, by the way. And now we need to add the previous day low and previous day high supply, which that would be the previous day high. This would be the previous day low. Demand. Excuse me. And you do this by going from the bottom of the low before the reversal up to the top of the last red candle before the reversal up, which would be that one. So I'm going to include that. It's also cool because it includes my bigger time frame level. Same thing up here. Before the reversal back down, I go from the high of my green candle to the open of my last green candle. So it's right here. So that's pretty easy. It also combines our 16,878 level there. So you can see today, price opened higher, pushed up into it, and then broke back down. And didn't really get any good runner with it either. It kind of ran into this like short-term support here, built back up. So pretty risky because you have definite sellers here And you have definite buyers here, so you might actually want to add that. 16775, which that's a pretty good psychological number too. Okay, cool. If I make it through 2024, I will be moving to California. And I'm with Zeke. Is there any particular reason that California was your choice? Do you have family over there? You don't like the Canada weather? Okay, it makes sense. So he's going from the cold, wanting to get into the heat. I feel you on that one. Well, no, I don't, because I'm always in the heat. J-Bake says don't do it. J-Bake's from there too, so he's giving very good advice. Florida, go to Texas or something. Oh, and family. See, I knew there was a more important reason there. He said taxes will kill you.
We are flushing previous day close on SPX here. Bulls fail in that level. Oh, baby. That's what I like to see.
I would say joke of the year, by the way, last year, Leland. I would say joke of the year was by Noxta. It was pretty funny when, because I didn't even think about it, but you were gone because you were sick and you were on vacation, you were traveling, all that stuff, and that's when the market was pumping like nonstop for like a couple weeks. And it was funny that he was like, yeah, it's you came into the chat and you were like, well, I've been gone, blah blah blah, and then Noxta was like, oh, so that's why we haven't been going down.
And then we started selling off like that day.
Exactly,
I feel like
like that day and the following week, we finally got selling pressure to show up, and it was like, wow, Leland's existence really does have like a push-pull effect on the market.
that's funny.
That was definitely.
We're right back to that 47.72 level.
Time to dump. High key, this still looks good for bulls as long as 475 holds, but if 475 breaks, that's not going to be good.
Agreed. They could definitely put in a higher low here, but I'm holding them puts. I did trim, but when I see those big candles like that, no reason to sell yet.
Holy.
Let's go.
Yes, BA. Yes. Yes.
Tesla below 220.
Oh. I might have to go to my other chart for that now. We're getting so far down. Oh my god. Anyone ski or snowboard? I've always wanted to. I've always wanted to try snowboarding.
That level is clearly important, that 47.72 on SPX. I'm not sure what it is on SPY. Looks like it's 475.50. Bulls are liking that level.
I bet Leland's pretty good at snowboarding.
I'm all right.
That's a really humble way of him saying he's really good. Now, just because of how much you surf and all that stuff, like I bet you actually have like the feel for it.
Yeah, it does. Once you like get the hang of the movement on snow versus water, it does carry over pretty well.
Because when you fall into snow, it's actual like matter. When you fall into water, you kind of go through
That too.
it.
But I just meant like the slight different movements of your feet.
Mm.
But yeah, I broke a few bones learning to snowboard, not gonna lie.
You've skateboarded before too, I'm assuming, right? Or
Oh
no?
yeah.
Okay.
I had a freaking half pipe in my backyard growing up.
Damn, you were that guy. I had a friend like that.
We
Everybody
built
did
it
that.
ourselves, me, my brother, and my dad.
That's worth. Snowmobiling is better. Actually, I'm not gonna argue that because I do love four wheelers, and I bet snowmobiling would be pretty fun. Bueller's coming to Canada. I'm
I've
gonna
never
teach him
done
how to
it.
snowboard. That'd be pretty cool. Illegally cross the border of Canada, get some snowboarding in. Went to Mount Tremblant in Quebec last year. It was awesome. Damn. The balance would transfer from skating and surfing to snowboarding. Hmm. Jack's like, it is fun. We have one, but it's to leave my house. I don't do it for fun.
It's just for plowing the driveway. Got to plow in front of it.
Thanks, Josh. Out BA put with profit. Good stuff, VC. Proud of you, man. I'll tell you this, you'll never hear me complain about VC not listening to my play. This man heard a play that I didn't even actually call out, technically. Out BA with profit again. Good, man. Keep scaling them runners. I'm happy for you. Every time you get a new low, it's a good time to kind of trim some because you get that extra boost in volatility in favor of your contract, not against you. Which is pretty nice. Come to Wisconsin and we can snowmobile. Let's see. How far is Wisconsin from me?
Far.
18 hours, sick. Wow, that's even farther than Ohio, and yeah, that's pretty far. 18 hours light work.
Every time I look at VIX, I just laugh.
Is it below 14?
All I can think about is 14. I just can't get over that.
Bro, VIX is below 14. Prepare for market to scam you 10 times more than usual.
Yeah.
This is notable though. I will say from a technical analysis point of view, this is notable now. How much volatility is sitting at 12 and 13 and 14, like how much is just sitting here. This is pretty normal before the next big spear. I was gonna say spike in fear, and I decided to say it all in one.
Yeah.
You can see every time
And
it
it is
comes from consolidation. So this is a needed period for this chart for volatility.
it's making slight, very slight, like higher highs, higher lows.
Mm-hmm. It's like slowly working itself back out of the mud, out of the muck. Oh. Wait, this was your backyard? Oh, no.
No,
This is this.
no.
I was about to say, I was like, damn, bro, I would have been at your house every
That's just
day.
that's the only picture I have of snowboarding.
Damn. You in the iconic.
I don't even know if I have a picture of the half pipe.
You in those iconic goggles, dude.
Yeah.
It looks pretty cool.
And the pants.
Yeah, and
Bright blue.
Oh my gosh. Let's go. I just got a huge spike in volatility. And it didn't even move. Alright, I'm going to sell 3 of my last 4 here, and then we're going to keep 1.
What expiration do you have?
Next Friday. Alright, I'm in last one.
Why can't I find where you posted that though? Or did you not even
No,
post it?
I didn't. That wasn't a play I posted. That's why I was saying VC's crazy because he literally followed me on a play that I only talked about in stream.
And what's up?
Like you would miss it if you weren't in here. Like kind of thing. Your words are very important to people here. Keep doing it wisely. Yeah, I'm trying to watch my words, man. I don't like to talk in certain ways. And keep me in check, seriously. Like y'all are my people. I'm not trying to step on any boundaries or on any toes. Keep me in check. Bro, I'm gonna have to make it from GA to Maine for a hockey tournament. Are you playing in the hockey tournament, Timmy? There's like a weird part of me that would believe he would totally do it. Even going back into last year for the mid-12s as a key level, Zeke said. Roller hockey, yes. This man never gives his body time to heal. Nah, I'm just messing with you, Timmy. If you get any clips of you getting some nice shots in, man, try to send him in chat or something. That sounds pretty badass, though. Try to stay safe. I know that's, like, pretty impossible for you. You're like the modern-day Evel Knievel. But I think you'll have fun. He just sends us pictures of, like, something from the emergency room when he gets back. We have a tourney in NC in North Carolina in 2 weeks. Maine is Natties, and in like 2 months. Oh, okay. Huh. Yo, this music's putting me to sleep. Is it gonna play? BB, if you decide to meet up in town, count me in. Bet. Are you in Texas? I'm assuming. POS, high or low, by the dip setting up. Everything is really on the 475 level right now, Mighty One. Because from open, you're bearish, but you're still holding really good levels. So it's hard to say, like, as a new trade, you should be jumping into shorts here. But I just can't sell anybody on that until we see a break of 474.96. Longs can step in at any point here and make a higher low.
Yeah, if you weren't in from that like failure of previous day close before this last push down.
Yeah, if you weren't in here or like in this general vicinity, like Leland's saying right now, this area or this area, it's just hard to be like, yeah, new shorts look so good here. Like it doesn't because you weren't in yet. Like I'm bearish, but with caution of, hey, there's a pretty important level here. It might hold. Clutchtown Hefe. Okay,
Yeah.
cool.
I'm gonna send you something in DMs really quick. Pull it up on stream. That drawing you always do.
Oh. Here you I like these
It's like
images myself.
where would you want to short? Point A or point B? Point B, right? So if you look at the chart, we're pretty much at a point A or almost to a point A, right? So probably not a good idea to open puts here.
Logically broken down. Oh, you meant for the long side. Oh yeah, yeah. You're looking good if
Well,
this forms a higher low here, but to prove
yeah,
yourself, you need to
that's
see a retake of something, preferably over this high, not just at it. Which, like Lee then said again, previous day close is pretty damn important right now because we keep getting over it and
yeah.
then we sell. Keep getting over it. You got to retest here. Sold. So just be cautious. But 475, clear level where they're not trying to flush it right now. Sorry, Leland, I wasn't trying to cut you off. I was just trying to
No, you're good. You said
formulate our
exactly what I
thoughts.
was gonna say. Because that higher low does look good for longs, but again, like you said, you want to see it get over that recent high, like the 476s, and then build above that for better confirmation.
Oh,
Because right now
yo,
it's still a risky early entry.
yo, everybody in stream, who finished BB course number 2 or got through at least the first video? I really need to see who got through it because I'm really happy to see who got through it, to see who likes Leland's first video, because that video there was the best video I've ever seen.
I'm blushing.
SK said, question, I have studied Strat, ICT, BB for YouTube. If I take BB2 courses, possible to use all three. I want to be profitable. I've always told people this. If you can't make the distinction and figure out that those are all three essentially doing the same thing, you probably just need to focus on one, SK, because Strat, ICT, and BB overlay each other. They don't interrupt each other's confirmations. I've back tested. I mean, the Strat's something that you should already have in you anyway. It's inside bars, outside bars, just basic candlestick pattern. That's simple. The ICT, it's just fair value gaps. It's a lot more stuff involved, but it's a lot of the information lines up with what you're looking at with this. So if you want to use all three, sure, I'm not going to hate on you. All three work. If you want to use just one of them, great. You want to keep it simple, great. You want to use all three, great. There's nothing wrong with that. It's not really one direct. Like you're asking, or can I use all three? Will I be profitable? It's like any direction you could be profitable or not profitable. You know. So I'm not trying to give you like a lying answer. You know. I don't want to lie to you. I see that. Want to use simple strategy, and that's up to you to backtest. You know, if you want to just use one or all three or two of them, like it's really up to you. I'm not going to tell you, you know, what to do because it's your personal preference. You know, your personal preference may not be like mine. My personal preference is trying to keep it as simple as possible. So I literally just draw the BB system. I literally just draw for day trading. I'm going to have the TA routine set up, the BB system, and then I'm going to have the previous day previous day high supply, and previous day low demand. That's it. I'm not touching anything else. You know, if I can't explain to you why I have a level on my chart, it probably doesn't need to be there. So, like I said, it's personal preference. Go through them, and whichever one, like JBake just said, is easier for you to trade or to go through or you feel most comfortable with is really what I'm trying to say. That's the one you should stick with, and stick with it. Don't jump around to each one. I feel like you're at this question now because you've jumped around to them, which, again, it's not a mistake or a fault or a problem. It's just you need to limit yourself to something. You need to limit yourself to where you're just focused on taking the same setups over and over and over again.
Truer words never spoken.
So be comfortable and find your personal preference and dig into it. Dig into it. Build your edge. A lot of people that have a really good edge are because they've been doing the same thing over and over and over and over and over again to where they can do more than explain what happened to you based off their system. Because they don't just trade it, they understand it. So, back tests, go through them.
I like what you said about all of them pretty much being the same thing because it's so true. It's just
They just look different.
looking at the same thing, but just like describing it differently, or I don't even know if it's describing it differently. It's like all really supply and demand essentially broken down different ways.
100%. And my favorite part is a lot of it is just price history. Like you're just essentially using price history to help you find important parts of the chart to where when price reapproaches that important part of the chart, you might have a possible trading opportunity there. You might not. Maybe it does nothing. Maybe it makes it really hard to trade. Maybe it doesn't. But there's going to be an opportunity there most likely. So that's
Yeah.
why it's important throughout any system, regardless of what you trade off. And that's why I don't hate on ICT. I don't hate on people who use this strat. I don't hate on these because they're all price action. They're all price history. None of them are different. Like that, and that's why I can't hate on it because they're all the same. Like now, if you came over here and you were like, "Yo, man, what you think about Ichimoku Cloud? What you think about Bollinger Band and using this and that?" It's like, and using Keltner channels, like, oh, that's you. You want to do that, fine. But those aren't price action systems. Those aren't going to be as consistent, in my opinion. So that's why I always tell people just focus on any of those price action, price history type strategies, and it's going to give you the same terminology. It's going to give you the same. I don't know what I'm trying to say, but in that direction, it's all the same. J-Bake said different terminology, different logic. It all comes to the same place. I like these levels of market structure. Big Rollout said, I use BB and ICT. It's all to trade the draw on liquidity. BB is in-market liquidity draws. ICT is overnight draws. BB and ICT overlap at in-market 8:30 to 4 liquidity draws. BB and ICT marks previous day open and previous day close. Wow, they mark that for real? Damn. Okay, cool.
Wow, Tesla's dying. Just saw B Ferg's comment.
Wow, 218. Big Rollout. I love the confidence. Also, I am profitable AF. Just telling him how it is. I like it.
Love it.
H candle turning nasty. Where's this music at? I'll go to Tesla now. My bad, Beefberg. Jeez. I wish I'd look at that one today, to be honest, because they went up right to 225.15 and rejected perfectly. This has been such a clean chart in the past couple days. I posted it for this day because I like the consolidation between two areas, and then they broke that down perfectly, and now they're doing like the same thing again today. Just a little bit different variation.
Damn, yeah, that previous day high rejection. Wow. Almost to the cent.
I'd like to point out, Leland, this week I said that Netflix was going to hit 500, and it hit 500.
Let's go. Oh my god, I just looked at your stream, that daily candle yesterday.
Now,
It was ridiculous.
did I catch a trade on this? No, because it was impossible to find when it was time.
Yeah, but I can tell just by that candle. It's ridiculous.
So my notes this week were if it holds 476.80s, that it can hit 500 if it surpasses 485. And it literally did that within 2 days, and it was like, I had no chance of trading that.
Even the candles before that, like January 10th, and then January 9th, even inside bar, I guess you could have maybe taken a swing there, but that next day shook so many people out.
SK, you've never seen me use ICT. I've never used ICT a day in my life. BB is the only thing I use. You should know that by now. And yeah, will it sum up everything you need? I don't know, man. You're asking some pretty vague questions. I'm trying not to be rude at the same time, but you're making it very hard. Oh, the other guys. Okay. I don't know what other guys you're talking about. Everybody in chat trades BB system.
I think the only thing that I've picked up personally from ICT is the fair value gaps, just because they make so much sense to me. But I'm too ADD to follow along with everything else. The BB system and even the strat, it's just like so simple. There's very few things to learn about it and master. And once you do, it's game on. Like the inside bars and outside bars. And then with the BB system, the previous day, open, high, low, and close. Just you can't beat it. So simple and effective.
5 more percent.
Like today's perfect example. This morning we pushed up to previous day high. Or sorry, is that previous day high? Yeah, that's previous day high. And then rejected it with an outside bar. Doesn't get simpler than that. You about to sell BA? It's hitting that 270, 217.66 level.
Yeah, I'm at 94%. I'm thinking.
That last flush was pretty good.
Yeah, I'm gonna take it. Why can I never have my price level tool?
Yeah, J-Bake, I love seeing that. Because if they fail, that's just showing me that like the other side's basically taking control. Let me find one I was looking at the other day.
SK, I stream all the time. You don't even need premium, dude. Just sit in here. I don't want you jumping around and buying a bunch of shit and then you're like, oh, this didn't explain what I wanted. Like, dude, just focus on what you got in front of you right now. Don't even get the courses. It sounds like you genuinely need to start over. Like, with whatever you're trying to figure out with my shit. I don't know where you're getting all this information from on using this, and this together. I don't know who told you that. But genuinely, I've never once preached that. I've always said you should just use the levels, just the zones, and limit yourself to the 4 types of entries. It's pretty simple. It's 4 types of entries. It's very simple. Now, is it simple to trade? Is it simple to maintain? Simple to grow? Hell no. This shit's hard as hell. But setting it up can be made easy. Workshop number 11. I would recheck this video out. I'd watch it over and over, get the level set, focus on that. I just need to make a supply-demand playlist, I think. How to chart and use supply and demand areas from previous day in less than 5 minutes. This is the second video I recommend you to watch. This will get you the day-to-day, previous day high supply, previous day low demand, so you can have everything you need. So you'll have your price history from bigger and smaller time frame, you'll have your price history from the previous day, and then you'll be set. And then I would go to this playlist. It's called Road to Consistency, I think. Yeah, this one. And you can watch all these if you want. These are basically live trades covering the 4 types of trades. This is the video I was trying to find for you, though. It's a little over 8 minutes, but it covers the 4 important trading strategies, which is already covered in a lot of these other videos, but this just covers that. So if you want to just watch that and then go skim through the rest of these, you can. But please, go through the free stuff first, because I don't want to have somebody go and be like, oh, well, I got premium and I thought this was going to change my life. I don't want that to happen to you. I don't want you to think that that's what's being done here. We give people structure and stability. I don't tell people I'm going to make them rich. I don't tell people they're going to make a lot of money with me. I don't tell people that because it's a lie. You may make money with us, you may not. But I can already tell just by reading your messages you're scattered. You're asking about which strategy should I use, and then you're like, oh, but I know them all. It's like, okay, so then what are the questions here? Are you focused on learning, or are you focused on sticking to one system? I'm lost on your questions. You know, I don't even know what you're really asking anymore. You went from talking about strategies, and then you were like premium, like, so it almost sounds like you want signals. It's like, I don't know what you want, you know? And I'm trying not to be rude, and I care about you. I don't want you to make stupid mistakes. I don't want you to get trapped in a stupid strategy. I don't want you to get trapped in a stupid Discord. I don't want any of that to happen to you. But I also don't want to lie to you. So, please, refresh. And I don't care if you've watched the videos or not. You clearly need to go back and rewatch them, and then stick to them. This is the part of trading I say is the hardest. And I might be getting onto SK everybody, but everybody has this issue. If you jump around, you are going to mess up. Because you do not have a set system in place. You're over here trying to learn 3 different things at once. We're not Albert Einstein. None of us can do that. You're not a computer. And so you're having these hesitant moments and these gaps in your confidence because you're not sticking to the same thing. It's not concrete. You might have gone over it. You might even remember it. But that doesn't mean you understand it. So please, take more time to go through this stuff. Everybody, I'm not even just talking to SK anymore. Look at Mel. He's doing mental trades. Good job, Mel. Because he's already made his insane gain for the week. Over here complaining and I didn't even close my trade.
Fuck.
Oh no, I lost $9 on that close. Fuck. Alright, I don't even know how much I made on that, so I need to do some math. It's about a really dumb number of contracts.
Dude, Mara Bulls have to be just punching walls right now. Another 13% down. That's just crazy. At what point do they halt that?
Thanks, SEC. Thanks for not doing your job. Appreciate that. I'm not even in crypto, and I'm pissed off for that community.
Can't believe they did that.
They got blindsided, dude. That's crazy.
I like to go and say, oh, we got hacked. That wasn't a real announcement. It's not approved. And then 24 hours later, yep, just kidding. It's approved. Like, what is going on? Like, you should have just stuck with the announcement. They knew it was going to be approved. Can't convince me otherwise.
Oh, they knew. They knew. There's not even an argument for the other side.
They just wanted to create chaos.
That for personal notes. Alright, I can get off Boeing now.
Probably CJ.
Yes, BB course number 2 would help you because it's a little bit more in depth than the information already provided in the open public videos and in the BB course 1. It's really just covering up more of, it's covering the same topics but a lot more in depth. But yeah, I would pick it up SK, honestly. It's only $75. It's the cheapest course on the internet. And it also features Leland, too. It's not just me. There are some Leland features in there. And probably, honestly, and he's probably never going to say it, but it's some of his best work. So, it's generally amazing. I've gone through the course a couple times just to rewatch some of his videos again. Well, actually, I don't go to the course. I have them on my computer, so I'll just watch them from there. They're pretty funny. Or they're pretty useful. Kind of just to remind yourself, like, hey, this is what I need to be thinking about. New to options, so what it will teach about options. New to well, you said you had the first course, did you not? Because the first course has the big breakdown. Oh, you don't? Oh, so you've only watched the public stuff. Okay, you made it seem like you had seen the first. Getting it this weekend, 3 days of study. I mean, no pressure, man. If you're working on something, get to it. I know basics, but not much experience. Okay. Then yeah, courses would be very helpful to you if you've already gone through all of the public stuff. I'm just not a huge salesman, man. You want to get it, get it. I'm not going to sit here and sell you on it.
Yeah, won't see me doing that either.
I'd rather get less sales and have my, what do you call that? Have my dignity. I'm not gonna sit here and be a salesman.
I think the thing with a course is like when you actually invest money into it, it motivates you or drives you to actually dig in and learn the material from it. Like I've probably spent $3,000 or $4,000 on programming courses over the years for information that's easily made available on YouTube and regular Google searches.
Mm-hmm.
But I paid just for that kind of like motivation to learn from somebody that actually knows what they're talking about.
Mm-hmm.
So it's like you're investing a few dollars into something to like essentially get that organization from somebody, but also for the motivation on your own side. Because like it's so easy for me to go to a free YouTube video and just kind of zone out and watch TV while it's playing and not actually learn it. But like once you actually invest something into it, I feel like you're motivated different.
You're like, I gotta pay attention to
I guess
this.
is all I'm trying to say.
Spend some money on this shit.
Yeah, exactly. Actually, I've spent twice as much as that on programming courses.
Programming has made you 300 times that or more, way more than that. So
Yeah.
that was a good investment. Look at you now.
Yeah, exactly. Dividend bowl. Like you could have a home gym and literally never touch it, never even look at it. But once you're paying for that membership, it drives you to get in there because you need to get your money's worth. Zeke. Pretty much, right? Sitting there doing nothing.
Putting some skin in the game helps. That is true. Putting yourself into it. See, this is good though for bulls. Them wasting this much time and holding the same area is still really good for them. They just need a
Agreed.
impulse move. Or 470.
Kind of starting to get it
Yeah.
with these last couple candles.
Lunchtime, that is true, SK. Oh, damn, it is 11:15.
If you want to wrap up, let me know. You don't have
Yeah,
to
I'm gonna
stick
wrap
around
up
just because
soon.
I'm on.
No, I just, time's been flying. We did the marble game, and then you were in here, so just kind of Plus, I started stream like 25 minutes late. So now I'm good for a little bit longer. Probably go another 15 minutes or so. I want to see if this impulse move comes in on SPY, to be honest with you.
And yeah, what Mel said is so true. Like, just learn the system, and then that experience with the options will follow once you start applying it. Like, you could watch a million videos, but nothing's going to beat that personal experience, that one-on-one screen time with just you and the charts.
Oh, that's true, CJ. The long weekend, you might not have a lot of volume return after lunch. That's true. You still could get some nice moves, not taking that away from the chart, but definitely possible. Ferg, Zeke, Mel, Jack, Mighty, CJ.
Every time I look at Mara, it's down another %. I was in shares on the 10th. I saw it hit 29. I was like, better sell. I want to see 30, but I'll just sell at 29. Below 20 now. Crazy. Makes me want to go look at Weeble comments. I love reading those.
Oh, dude, StockTwits comments used to be funny as hell. That's like.
I bet they're all about like the Weeble comments.
Oh yeah, they're probably the same crowd. Sometimes you'd even see people like share pictures on like StockTwits, and then they'd share it on Weeble and Twitter and this app and this app. So you'd see the same post by one person on like 6 different like social medias. It was crazy.
Just begging for attention.
Because some people are just.
Yeah.
Some people will make fun of Jim Cramer and then go do exactly what Jim Cramer does, shilling. They'll just be like, "Yeah, guys, this is gonna go up. You should all go long on this. This setup's about to blow up. I've been in deep."
First comment, WTF.
Yeah. God. Yeah, I look at that stuff too because it's kind of funny.
The next one, my strategy opposite of this comment feed. He's got puts.
It's probably profitable then.
Oh yeah.
He's probably killing it. Oh wait, what's CLF doing? I haven't checked this in a minute. Okay, so it did my big move. I've been waiting for it to give me more. Still don't have nothing here. It's probably gonna keep tanking before earnings.
As you said that, shilling. Great time to buy, Mara.
Oh my god, dude. Yeah, I genuinely, I've never felt bad for anybody's positions before, but I do actually genuinely feel bad for crypto investors right now because this is just so fucked up.
Yeah.
They've been waiting on this for months. Big money gets in. All the rumors are true. It is actually coming out. Oh, SEC Twitter hacked. Just kidding, guys. It was all fake. We're probably gonna tank. And then the news comes out, and it's just like how it should have been, though. You know, it probably is going to tank after the news comes out for that initial buy the rumor, sell the news. But the way that the news was released with the rumor, that's what was pretty messed up. It wasn't that it followed the normalities of how news and price react to each other. It was how it wasn't normal with how it was released. That's what I thought was fucked up.
Totally agree. There's always that like bit of manipulation or like confusion when news drops, but to do that, quote unquote, oh, we got hacked BS is just like a whole nother level.
That's crazy. It's not surprising from the SEC, but it's a new step for them, in my opinion. Long-term investor in Bitcoin, Ryan says, doesn't matter to him. Good, man. Good on you. No problem.
That's what's
Add me on
up.
Discord if you want to try to if you can. Engaging in chat openly too. That'll help too. Tons of people just like to drop a couple notes in. Someone has problems or struggling, or just getting started. Even not even just about struggling. Yo, speaking of my bread and butters, where's McDonald's at?
For a second, I thought you're like waiting on DoorDash, McDonald's, or something.
No, hell no. Hell no.
Where's my McDonald's?
Where's my tendies? Okay, so it's in supply. I repeat, it is an all-time high supply. I'm just gonna leave everything I have here. I'm not even gonna mess with that. Let's just focus on this. Alright, delete that. Include that.
Damn, you know what's a clean chart? Walmart.
Yeah, Jack's actually been going over that pretty heavily in Lifetime. I don't know if he's up or not, but I know that he. Oh no, he's probably flat on his position right now. He's looking for bullish retest for continuation right now.
That looks good. Huge gap.
Of course, you say Walmart as in looking at McDonald's. How many Walmarts have you seen with the McDonald's in it?
Phew. That's why I went to Walmart, because you brought up McDonald's.
Wait, you went to Walmart for the McDonald's?
Well, you mentioned McDonald's chart, so then I was like, I wonder what Walmart's doing.
I'm even more dumb than I thought. I genuinely was like, wait, he went to Walmart to get McDonald's? What the hell is he talking about now? Speaking of McDonald's, though, they actually look really good. I know it doesn't look that good in terms of candlesticks, but they have a really good low here, a really good higher low over this area, and they're in the next area. The only thing that's kind of cautious is that this could be a triple top or a lower high. But if this is a reset candle for more continuation, 300 might actually be in store for that chart. Your ID is Joyful? Oh, okay, I know you, Joyful. I've seen you all the time in there. Also, and I feel like not enough of you guys pay attention to some of the channels that have literal plays posted in them. And again, I'm not a financial advisor, neither any of my friends. We just post our plays for fun. If people want to follow, they can. If they don't, also cool. They just want to like read and learn. But I want to shout this channel out because if you have YouTube membership, you have access to this. If you have any membership, you have access to this. And this is by far one of the most powerful channels I've ever seen in our chat. Plays are posted in here by all my friends.
Daffy's swing yesterday on SPY. Ridiculous.
Yeah, he literally, his first and only post today was him taking profits on SPY. People called him crazy for holding. I mean, there's plays like this every single week. Like, not every day are you going to see a play in here, but every week there are plays in here and good TA. Like this, it's not about just plays and taking trades and signals and alerts. It's not about that. Come in here and learn. There's great TA in here. All of us using the same levels that we always talk about in practice. So definitely check this stuff out. It's very, very important. But Reason Over Risk, one of the strongest channels in the entire chat. I feel like it's not used enough. And then maybe once you're past, following us and you getting the system down, I want to see you more openly post in here. All of my confident traders post in the post charts channel all the time. Some of them are in Lifetime, some in Premium, but a lot of the bigger guys come in here and post in here because they want to openly show themselves. They want to openly have themselves accountable. So take your time, go through that stuff, but there's a lot of useful, and honestly, I never shout this section out enough either. The educational section, there's stuff in here from 4 or 5 years ago. There's stuff in here from 4 or 5 months ago. Stuff in here from 4 or 5 weeks ago. There's all kinds of information here, from stream clips to trading strats to the BB boot camp with all the quizzes in it, to the workshop classes, to the trading lessons from when we just would do like fun lessons with each other for like quick questions and stuff like that. Volume and fibs. This is still one of my.
Oh yeah,
most
BB
valuable
Boot
channels.
Camp. Somebody was saying earlier that they're still a beginner with options. You should, if you're in the Discord, you should definitely go to the BB Boot Camp channel, because that first quiz, the understanding options, that thing is
Do I just need to move this
insanely
channel,
informative.
Like, to part of chat or something?
Maybe. I kind of forgot about them, but like those are jam-packed with info.
Yeah, even these small ones we made were pretty good. And then your candlestick.
Sorry, I didn't mean to cut you off.
No, you're good. That goes into what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
But no, maybe I do need to move that. I'll move it over to. I actually have no idea. I guess I'll put it under reason over risk. Over reason over risk? I really don't know, because I have like the weekly, the daily. I don't know. We'll put it somewhere.
And it kind of does belong in educational section, but
It does.
dude, I don't know.
There's just a lot of channels, we've, like, people would come in our chat and be like, y'all have too much shit in here. It's like, well, yeah, we've been around for 5+ years. Like, of course we're gonna have a lot of stuff in here. I'm not your average group that's only been around for 1 year or since COVID started. I was here before COVID started. I was here before the word COVID was even mentioned.
Plus, there's really not that much. I mean,
Yeah, you need a membership, SK. That's what I was saying. I was saying you don't have access to stuff because you have to have a membership. The only one you have access to is Reason Over Risk because you have the YouTube membership. That's the only one I gave to people, and that was just as like extra cherry on top. I really didn't have to do that either. Because I know like guys like Dividend Bull, there's a ton of people in here who are super active, and I want to pat those guys in the back too. So I give them a little bit extra.
I just put in another lower high. So after a higher low, then a lower high, just looks like squeeze city to me.
That's 50/50.
It's choppy, as the FinTwit community would say.
No, SK, to get educational section, you only need the basic membership. You don't need to get the other ones. Basic is all you need. Basic gets you most of everything in chat. Honestly, you get the whole educational section, you get the trade floor section. Well, that's like 20 channels or something. Off topic, everybody has that. VIPs for premium and lifetime only. And then lifetime, of course, is for lifetime only. I leave to take care of a patient and meta dumping a bit. Are they really? To be fair, they might be pulling back because of the overall market itself. They've been one of the few that I've seen today that have held up very well. Google was doing very well as also. Another XLC weight is why I'm mentioning it. Netflix also holding up well. So XLC just in general has been holding up very well. And I think what you're seeing now is them finally follow the trend of everything else. But guys, I think I'm finally going to end the stream here. I would look for a flush if 4770s break per Mel's mention right there. If you end up getting a good base build and a break back over 4785 on SPX, you definitely could be looking for longs on the ETFs like SPY and triple Qs. But guys, I will see you later on. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you Leland as well. Everybody thank him for being here and helping with the course and everything else. Thank you for the giveaway. That was really fun. Dropping likes on the stream, everybody who tuned in today. Definitely appreciate each and every one of you. And we'll see you Tuesday. Remember, there's no market Monday.
All right, see you Monday.
But see everybody.